My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2019 Ford Fiesta ST-2. This vehicle has done just over 23,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our keyless ignition. On the right, we have voice control. Moving on to our touchscreen, we can access Apple CarPlay, valet mode and voice control, our vehicle settings, emergency assistance, full pass connect, mobile apps, navigation and Bluetooth. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with rear parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC with heated seats on either side. If we press our mode button, we can switch between our 3 different driving modes: racetrack, normal and sport. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.